ClickDimension CRM Review Watch before using. Most people think marketing automation is separate from CRM, but ClickDimensions combines both to streamline marketing, sales, and customer engagement. ClickDimensions is a marketing automation platform built for Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. One standout feature is its integrated workflow. Users can create email campaigns, landing pages, web forms, and nurture sequences directly within their CRM environment. Most people get this wrong. They assume automation tools are generic and disconnected. The surprising truth is ClickDimensions leverages CRM data to personalize campaigns, segment audiences, and track engagement metrics in real time, making marketing smarter and more targeted. Another advantage is analytics. Users can monitor campaign ROI, track leads, and gain actionable insights on which strategies are most effective. Automation rules, scoring, and alerts help sales teams prioritize leads efficiently. However, there are considerations. ClickDimensions works best if your organization already uses Microsoft Dynamics 365, and setup can be complex for beginners. Some advanced features may require additional modules or subscriptions. In conclusion, ClickDimensions is ideal for businesses using Dynamics 365 that want to unify CRM and marketing automation. Its combination of personalization, automation, and analytics makes it a powerful tool to drive customer engagement and sales growth. Subscribe for more honest CRM and marketing tool reviews before choosing your next platform.